Hey, what is up guys, I am Akon from Detectives, and this video is about to using multiple operating system in the same machine. As you can see, I am using Windows 10 computer, and for some educational purposes I need Windows XP because some oldest softwares runs in Windows XP only and they do not support Windows 10 compatible mode. So here the VirtualBox plays a main role. Actually, I mean to say that you are using Windows 10, but at the same time you can use Windows XP, and all those oldest softwares will be run in Windows XP. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Initially you need two files, one is the software and one is the ISO file of the operating system that you want to use. The first is the software which will play as a role to use or to run the virtual OS as well, and the next is the operating system. Here as example, I want to use Windows XP in my computer, so I have downloaded the Windows XP file from the official site of Microsoft. But nevertheless, both links of these two, one is the software and one is the file, will be in the description, so definitely go ahead and check them out. So first of all, you need to install the software, the VirtualBox. Here click on next. So as you can see, I have already installed it, so I will not do this for the second time. The installing process is very easy. You have to hit next, and then it will automatically install it in the PC, and then create a desktop icon in your desktop as well, but you can always search in the search box as well. You can see that the VirtualBox, run the software. Then here is the total software interface that looks like. Then we want to create a new machine, so click on new, then choose the name of the operating system that you want to use. As example, I will name it XP. As you can see, it automatically detects that which operating system will be used in the future, but in case it doesn't automatically detects, you have to detect it manually. As example, I want to use Windows XP 32 bits, and then hit next. Then it will give you the option to choose the RAM for it. Here is the recommended RAM will be 192 MB, but I will increase it up to 890 MB. Nevertheless, because it's Windows XP, it doesn't require more. Then hit create, then hit next, then hit next. Do not do anything. Okay, now here it will ask you for the hard drive space. Here I give 10 GB, which will be enough. Then create. Then it will create, as you can see, a virtual machine. Now go to the settings, right click on the virtual machine. It will provide the settings option. Then here go to system and observe all the settings, and then we have to increase the visual video memory. I will give about 50 MB of video memory. Then hit next, and okay, now you are all done. Now click on start. It will initiate the starting process of your operating system. Now here it will ask for the ISO file of the operating system. Now here a folder icon, click on that, and then locate the ISO file of your operating system. Here mine is in the download section, so I will select the ISO file of the operating system and then click open. Then simply click on start. It will start the installation process of your Windows. As mine is the Windows XP, so it will be Windows XP installation process. Now here it will ask you to select the partition. Here there is only one partition, so we will hit enter and then format the partition. So here is the dialog box of the Windows XP installation. Now click on next and give a name of yours. I will give a name and then my organization. Then hit next, and then If you want to provide administrative password, you can provide it, or other than it you can leave it blank and then hit next. And here you have to select the time location, but I will keep it same as it is, and then hit next. Now it will take some time to install your Windows XP computer. So for the main purpose of this video, I am gonna skip this. So here is the computer is asking for your network domain. It doesn't matter, you can give anything, that doesn't matter. Hit next. So by the time it will automatically reboot to the system. And then we have the Windows XP logo here. Click on OK, then OK again. So here you can see the Windows XP setup process started. Click on next. Click on help protect my PC by turning on automatic updates. Click on next again. Then you can skip the network configuration process. Then click on no at this time. Then again put your name and hit next. Finish this. Then we have the Windows XP welcome screen. So here we have the Windows XP desktop and our start screen. Here go to properties and then go to settings. As you can see, it only supports up to 160 by 1200 pixels, but though my monitor supports HD, so it's not in the full screen. So in account of to do this in the full screen, here are the devices, and then click on insert guest edition CD image. Here the setup will initiate in the Windows XP. Then click on next and hit install. It will automatically install the guest edition over your VirtualBox that will enable the Windows XP in full screen mode. Click on finish and it will reboot now. So here you can see we have the Windows XP full screen mode, but if you want to remove all those bezels here at the title bar and the menu bar and the taskbar, then simply go to the keyboard and press right Ctrl and F. This is the host key, and this will enable your Windows XP PC to the full screen. As you can see, you can use it as your own PC, and to came out from the whole screen, you need to press on Ctrl and F again. This will go back to the normal viewing position as well. So here is the total installation process of the Windows XP. Here, if you want to install any application or CD images in the virtual OS, then simply go to devices and then select the optimal drive and choose disk image, and then choose the image that you want to insert and then click on open. This will open the setup window in here, okay, in your operating system. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, and also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get more upcoming videos, and also Happy New Year. Goodbye.